I mean of course lah kan. Tapi why so red?
Hello? Anybody on this plane? Oh! Look at this, look at this.
Oh.
Yo, I see something.
Hello?
I see panties yo. Okay, never mind.
Oh!
Holy shit, ada orang.
The captain! Oi! Captain!
Kau biarkan.
Captain! Aduh.
Kenapa host je lah yang anak je hilang. Masa korang dah main macam lain-lain lah.
Style kan dia buat baru.
Oh.
So Kai, you gotta find my kid now.
Fuck your kid. Just make another one, man.
Wow.
No.
Make another one, man.
No!
Ya, tunggu Ivan.
Oi! Oi! Don't take the toys!
Oh, silap pukul aku. Aku tengah pukul.
Bodoh lah Kai.
Tak ada. Aku.
Hi guys.
Betul. Yo.
Ui.
Alright.
Oh, boleh
You
makan.
eat everything you.
Holy fuck, that's sensitivity tu.
Kan? Welcome back Kai.
Eat everything
Welcome back Kai.
So this is my first time playing this game. My friend will teach me. I don't know how they will teach me. I will
Dude,
keep
turn off
on.
motion blur dude.
Oh, I can take tray dude. The one kena ampas by tray.
Basics of survival. Ni,
Motion blur, ha?
nak buat
Turn
base
off
kat ni.
motion
Buat
blur.
kat sini ke nak cari tempat?
Ada jap. Air dapat yang mana? Air dapat mana aku dah lupa.
Sorry.
Ada arak dalam tu. Because why not?
Let's check one more
Oh
time.
fucking not.
Setting kat bawah.
Okay.
Graphics.
So
Feel off.
Hey, pukul lah bag bodoh ni.
tidak apa-apa pun.
Kau pukul apa lah?
Sial tak main game ni.
Oh.
Lama sial tak main game.
Kan?
So mau potong kayu ni.
Oh dude, I'm full. Can't carry any
Yeah.
more rocks.
Ya. Ya.
Oh, babi terus.
Yo,
My workers yo.
Fuck you.
Potong.
Jatuh kau jangan jatuh kat aku juga.
Ada damage juga kah?
Tak.
Look.
Ya, ini tak apa. Sekejap. Aku dah lupa siapa sini.
Take more logs here.
Oh.
Kita nak buat kat sini First shelter.
Bantai je dah.
Bas, tak boleh bawa banyak Bas. Boleh bawa 2 je.
Okay, set. Okay. It's okay.
Balak.
Let's go.
Oh, itu dia tak ubah lagi lah.
Our first adventure.
Nak buka siapa? Nak buka siapa?
Apa gaduh?
Sekejap, saya nak buka inventory.
I.
Oh.
Yang buku tu
I.
B.
Asal tak boleh petak I.
Aku boleh Kau rebind kot?
Hello. Roger.
Yo. Cuba tekan Q.
Hello.
Roger. 1-2.
Itu kalau orang tak ada voice com pakai tu kan?
Macam mana cakap? Tekan Q lepas tu hello.
I don't know.
Key aku punya key, what the fuck? Oh,
Hello.
okay.
Options, controls, crouch.
Start fire.
So
Sekejap.
Aku dah lupa tu. Combination dia.
teach me
Inventory.
okay. This is a book. A book that teach us
Craft is C.
like law of
Lighter
jungle.
L. Save C.
Not Macam mana mau tulis di note? Boleh.
Mau apa?
Note. Notes. Yeah. You cannot write anything on notes.
I don't know. Maybe later. Alright. So, apa plan? Nak buat kat sini ke apa? First base.
Pergi tempat lain lalu.
Coba
Nak tahu
tempat lain dulu.
lawa. Let's explore this shit.
Yo, let's go yo. Vance, let's go.
Let's go.
Wah.
I follow you guys. Behind.
Apa ni? Ni sungai. Dah lawa dah.
Okay tu. Alah-alah ada. Ni bukan sungai shit. It's a fucking pond you.
Yeah, it's a fucking pond. It's the JV.
Okay, boleh buat sebelah ni macam.
Sekejap.
Katak.
Ini
Kita boleh
susah agak tu.
Ha?
Sekejap.
Okay, jap. What are you doing you?
What the fuck is that?
Guys, fucking swimming in this
Dude,
small
what the
shit
heck is
pond.
that?
Hey, dude, I see people you.
Yeah.
I
They
see
are
the
running
fucking
like a
guys.
raptor, dude.
Tak apa, we got 3 people here. Let's go. Patukai mati.
So,
Nak buat kat sini ke? YOLO aja. Sini okey tak ada air ni?
Tak ada minum kan? How the fuck?
infinity
Sebab
ya
aku
ni.
yang penuh.
Kita punya.
Oh, aku yang penuh.
Saya nak minum.
Tekan
Kenapa?
hold E. Somehow. Belakang.
Mana ada?
Hold E ke?
Siapa yang hold E? Tengok.
Mana ada?
How the fuck? Oh, macam
Mati,
kita
mati.
ada. Aku ada.
Ke sebab aku penuh lagi. Aku rasa aku penuh.
Dah, kau kenyang air dah tu.
Oh, ada.
Okey lah, boleh lah buat sini.
Okay.
Cut everything.
Se. Makanan.
Makanan. Kau kejar lah kau sampai tahun depan.
Sekejap, macam nak sekejap. Oh, perlukan rope. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, aku ada weak spear. Nice.
Ui,
Weak? Why you so weak?
Wet.
okay.
Dia lagi.
Okay.
Bawa kayu pergi sini dulu.
Mana dia? Where's the fucking dia? Nata.
Okay, boleh potong.
Alright, so I make my shelter first. See. Hunting shelter. Rotate.
Oh,
Habis
babi
rotate
jauh pula.
kat sini lah.
Mati lah, oi, tak mati.
Dude, this tree is so strong, dude.
Yo, 7 lock tu dia mati. Oh my god. Gonna need more locks. Yeah, I take one of your lock, dude.
I will help.
Alright, I got my base.
Yo,
Okay,
yo.
Skala. Yo, what happened, yo?
Who wants some fucking hit?
Holy shit! Hey,
Dude, why I feel so there's
hey, can
there is
I'm
energy.
saving here, okay?
Wow.
Slot 1. Okay, I saved the game.
I got so many lock, dude. I will bring to you guys.
What else do we need? So now we need the fucking fire. Okay, never mind. You wanna make a fire now? Okay, I make a fire now.
Yeah, make it.
Make the camp right here.
So limit 2 lock ya.
Hey dude, there's a guy dude. Eh no, there's a deer.
Okay, what should I need?
Laju ya. Why this dia so fast? Like my money.
Fire, no I don't need
Can I
a lot
cut
of
this?
fire. Temporary shelter, okay. Eh mau lock cabin nanti lah kalau kita jumpa lake.
I can cut this thing. Oh,
Lake macam ni. Lake literally. Water collector yo.
Shit.
Do we need drying rack kai?
Right, what for man? Melainkan jumpa orang.
I can make a log sled you. Can I carry you? Oh no, I can carry logs only. Oh, this is for Vance.
What? Oh,
Whoa. What the fuck?
what?
I made this for you. Wait. What the hell? This thing just spawned in front of me?
Nah.
Oh, I got no more sticks. Put
Do
the
you
sticks
do
inside.
you still need lock, dude? Hey, Isame,
Yo,
do you still need some lock?
later dude.
Later or now?
Later.
Wait, what you need?
Oh,
Yeah, it's done.
Oh wow. Here, Vance.
what?
See, you carry this. See, you
Oh.
can bring logs.
Okay, let's go. Give me that.
Go.
Okay, you take.
Okay.
We make a rope again, or
Oh.
do we just find
Oh.
that shit?
Okay, hi boys.
Jobless.
I'll be back soon.
Okay.
Be back.
Habis buat shelter besar terus je.
For safety reasons.
Safety reasons eh. Yo Vance, you need to bodyguard you.
No need.
Dude, I wanna put some logs on you.
No,
What's that
don't put locks on me.
There we go. Yo, something is moving. Okay, never mind.
What is moving?
Uh,
There's still so many logs here, yo.
Like I can chop this tree.
Huh?
Yo, whose house is this? It's done. How do you
Which-
go in?
Which house?
Oh, bab tolak je sel.
Huh?
Okay, mak.
Oh, thank you.
See?
Mak ditolak. That's so amusing somewhat. Shit.
Oh yeah, I see. Wait, biasa macam tu je ke? Aku punya warna pink. Pink.
Alright, it's almost sunset. Yo.
Color biru tu apa?
Hmm?
Yang dekat
The
biru tua.
biru tua itu energy bah. Dia lagi banyak kau running yang macam mana nak kata? Yang biru tu hard energy, meaning energy kau punya maximum energy at the time.
Oh,
Light blue is your stamina.
okay. I will get it soon.
Ush. Don't run, bitch.
Campfire.
I already made campfire, but it's okay. You can make another one.
What the fuck?
What else can we make?
Dude, what you want? Come fight.
Oh, you can make custom foundation, you. If you want to make your own base. Holy shit. Bonfire terus ya.
Dude, somebody is going to fight me, dude. Come. Hello?
Dude, come back with the logs, yo. We need the logs.
Dude. Someone is watching me.
Okay.
A girl, dude. It's not a girl. It's a woman. Oh, you want to fight? Huh? Huh?
Scary sia.
Oi!
Holy shit.
Oh my god, that voice, dude. That
Belum
voice,
lah.
dude. That voice, dude.
Wait.
Kembang belu.
Let's go, man.
Sial.
Hey,
We need some pussy, man.
hey.
I'm bringing her to my house.
Oi, okay, bawa masuk.
Oh, bagus. keluar.
Oh,
Keluar bodoh.
dude, some lock is coming. Dude. Can I run?
Jom
Oh,
ya, aku buat dia. Ah, buat betul.
dude, here's some lock. Do I need to build?
Holy shit, the locks you. There we go. I light the bonfire now.
Okay, sure.
Ooh.
Do I need to
Wait,
make a house too?
Oh,
I'm gonna cut.
hey, I want to hit you. Aduh.
Sorry.
Dude,
Yo,
can I make a house too?
yeah. You want to make custom house or not?
What do you mean by custom house?
You can do foundation look like Rust.
I got the leg. I'm gonna eat the leg, man.
Hey, this down ah.
Oh, I got another leg.
Let's
Hey, how do you cook again? Oh, you just put on the fire, right?
What's the button again? C.
I'm gonna make hunting.
Where's the leg? Where's my fucking leg?
Yo,
Hunting shelter.
where did our legs go, yo? Is it in there?
It's there, but where?
What the fuck?
Where's our leg? I want to eat some fried.
Maybe it will pop out.
It will pop out. Okay.
Dude, kau nak cakap BM cakap je shit.
Can I hit this rock? What?
Naikkan biru pekan aku dah lupa.
Wait.
Rest good.
Arms.
Yeah, I finished this already. There
Oh,
we
thank you. Save. Oh, I'm yellow.
go. Yo, where's my leg, yo?
What leg, dude?
Yo, we
Oh.
cook leg.
Yo, I eat the leg.
Where from you?
Just search for the E button.
Okay.
Wait, can I cook this?
Yo, not like that.
Dude, where is the...
Hey, how do I wash myself?
Dude, you feel sick, dude? Ha ha ha.
Oh yeah, you just go in the water. Hey, where's my other leg, yo?
I'm here, and then you mouse there.
Oh,
at the left.
wow.
Yeah.
I cut something.
Bone collected. Just the bone. Fuck.
Dude, I think
You
you're
rip
gonna...
off. Oh, you
Oh.
leg rip off.
Raw, fresh, generic.
Allah.
Oh,
Ah.
fuck. Motherfucking meat, man.
So, what are we going to do tonight?
Yeah.
We camp out like a beast.
Okay.
Better you cook here though. Never cook inside the bonfire again.
Motherfucker.
Hey, where's the body, man?
I don't know, dude.
What did you do? What did you do to it, dude? Kau buat apa shit?
I don't know.
Kau buat apa shit?
Bye.
I don't know that.
Is it in Kai's house? Yes, it is.
What the fuck did you put in my holy shit? Oh, that booty, man.
Dude, you're responsible, dude. You kill the woman.
Can I?
Oh, what happened to my game?
You cannot mind this body anymore, yo.
Dude, do we have any food?
I don't know. I need some weapons as well. Where are the weapons? I hear them screaming, yo.
No, I scared, dude.
Yeah, I don't.
Ajap. Mana
The
weapon?
scream is so...
Water storage,
So
custom
scary.
building, furniture,
Hi.
small traps. Yo.
Oh, my inventory is full. Okay. That's a good thing to know.
Find Jimmy, set up camp.
Combine to what? Weeks.
Oh. Nak craft apa weapon pakai ni kan, inventory tu kan.
Maybe.
Pakai buku.
Combine.
Excuse.
How to make rope again?
No.
Grass.
Let's
Oh,
see.
get your meat, man. Get your meat.
Yo. How to make rope again,
It's
guys?
burning.
Yep.
Ya, go search.
Bot. Oh,
I'll
we
be
can
your
make a bot.
helper.
Lol.
Our dog.
7 cloth.
To-do list. Find Timmy. Set
Huh?
up camp.
7 cloth.
Lagi?
We get cloth.
That's all.
Motherfucker.
No. I mean like normal fucking, I don't know what's it called.
No, tak boleh. Kena
Edible.
1 rope
Edible.
equals to 7 cloth.
Edible.
That's all.
No,
Edible.
not rope. There's something else.
Oi.
Oh shit!
Api terkejut saya aku.
Dude, do you have the meat, dude? No. Human meat. Of course, we are in the forest, dude.
No bonfire, man. Let's put some standing fire, I guess.
Anything? Yeah.
Kau nak buat apa, Bat?
Entah, aku pun tak tahu.
Oi!
Aku.
Itu dia.
Yeah.
Mau kami.
Oi, gigit dia.
Kejut siap. Ui.
Belakang kau ada guys, belakang kau ada.